welcome to Automation Partners AI. Now we're gonna see how to generate blogs. So we done with the subscription, we done with this wallet top-ups, we done with the settings on the previous videos. Now we will go with the blogs. So if you click on a blog, you can see some instructions over here and what you will get. And if you generate professional blogs, it will start generating, and you need to wait not so long, like 5 to 6 seconds or 10 seconds maximum, and it will start generating. And you don't have to worry about images. It will take its full branding, your local small businesses. You have a barbershops and you worry about brand and awareness of your barbershops, local businesses, medium businesses, then this is the best part for you. I mean, it's not going to replace your blog writers, okay? If you already have a blog writers, he can copy, and even if you're a freelancer, you can generate blog like this. You can highly offer, like I will make highly your branded, high professional, promotional blogs. And what it can do, it can highlight your brand. Like you can see, it's brought our logos, talking about our products, information. It's making sassy modes look so cool. You can see emoticons. It's talking about our services. It's talking about our informations, our social media. So it's giving you highly exposures about your businesses. So if you click over on there again, it will make another different blog. So you keep making blogs. Let's say